They say to be adventurous is to live, but sometimes it's not.
In consultation with experts from within the Unified Command, the debris is consistent with the catastrophic loss of the pressure chamber. I offer my deepest condolences to the families.
The OceanGate disaster has become one of the most tragic events in expedition history. It's astonishing to even think that a respected company backed by millions of dollars and known for its scientific research and high-profile clients could be responsible for one of the deadliest maritime disasters ever. But how could such a big blunder happen? Who's to be held accountable? And above all, what exactly went south? Well, in this captivating and tragic tale, we delve into the depths of the North Atlantic Ocean, where a missing submersible met its catastrophic end. Join us as we explore the rise and fall of OceanGate, a prestigious company that aimed to revolutionize underwater exploration. Discover the ambitious dreams of its co-founder, Stockton Rush, and the series of events that led to the devastating loss of 5 lives. So now, let's get started. Our story begins with Stockton Rush, a trust fund daredevil and co-founder of OceanGate.
I mean, anything when you're trying something outside the box, people inside the box think you're nuts.
He was not your average thrill seeker. No, he was a trust fund daredevil born into a life of privilege. From a young age, Stockton had a burning desire to push the limits and explore the unknown. Stockton's passion for adventure led him to accomplish remarkable feats. At the tender age of 18, he earned his pilot's license, soaring through the skies with excitement. But that was just the beginning. He took on the challenge of working as a flight test engineer for the mighty F-15 Eagle jet. He wanted to taste the adrenaline, and he did. Yet Stockton's appetite for exploration only grew stronger as time went on. He had a dream of owning his own submersible, a vessel that could take him beneath the waves into a whole new world. But when he looked around, he realized that there were very few privately owned submarines in the whole wide world. With an unyielding determination, he refused to give up and embarked on a remarkable journey of creating his own mini submarine using top-secret US Navy blueprints. Sadly, his invention had its limitations, only capable of diving to a modest depth of 30 feet. Driven by his frustration, a brilliant idea sparked in his mind. Stockton made up his mind to establish OceanGate, a groundbreaking company dedicated to underwater exploration. It was his chance to revolutionize the accessibility of submarines. In 2009, he turned his vision into a reality by joining forces with a like-minded former Marine captain. Little did Stockton realize that the stage was set for the gripping tale of the ill-fated OceanGate disaster. OceanGate's initial vision was to revolutionize underwater exploration and tourism by creating a fleet of small 5-person commercial submarines. These innovative vessels started with their first creation named Antipodes. They were meant to be rented out to both researchers and adventurous tourists, offering them a chance to unravel the mysteries of the ocean. Over the course of 4 years, OceanGate accomplished over 100 dives, providing exhilarating excursions along the coastal regions of the United States. Passengers eagerly paid between $7,500 and $40,000 per person, immersing themselves in the wonders of the deep, accompanied by knowledgeable marine biologists. But the audacious founder, Rush, yearned for more. In 2013, OceanGate took a daring leap by deciding to design their own submarines instead of relying on existing models. This bold move propelled them into uncharted territory. With the collaborative effort of the University of Washington and Boeing, they unveiled their custom-built submersible, Cyclops 1. As they relocated their headquarters to a more advantageous location in Washington state, Rush's ambitions soared even higher, settling their sights on a monumental price, none other than the legendary Titanic. To make things more interesting, the wreck of the Titanic rested on the ocean floor at a depth of approximately 4,000 meters, nearly 5 times the height of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Only a few specialized vessels existed that could reach such depths, where the pressure was 400 times greater than at sea level, enough to instantaneously crush any unprotected human. Rush aimed to achieve what these submarines could do but at a fraction of the cost. He began working on the OceanGate's second sub, the Tyson, with the aspiration of reaching the Titanic. However, the engineering path to the depths of the ocean was fraught with difficulties and warning signs. One notable sign became public in 2018 when David Lockridge, a pilot and director of marine operations for OceanGate, was fired. Lockridge sued the company, claiming that he had been wrongfully terminated for raising safety concerns as a whistleblower. He emphasized that the carbon fiber and titanium construction of the submersible's viewport was inadequate for deep-sea exploration. Lockridge's lawsuit shed light on the dangers associated with the submersible, but Rush remained determined to press forward. OceanGate's website proudly boasted about the revolutionary submersible, the Titan, designed to reach the depths of the ocean and explore the Titanic wreckage. They claimed that it was a safe and comfortable vessel that could withstand the immense pressures of the deep sea. However, the reality contradicted these bold claims. The chosen carbon fiber design, while lightweight and cost-effective, had never been tested in such conditions. This design posed a significant risk as the hull could develop cracks or imperfections. Despite acknowledging the untested nature of the design, Rush, the engineer behind the Titan, defended his choices, driven by his desire to innovate. Another glaring issue was the submersible's cylindrical shape. In deep-sea exploration, spherical designs were more commonly used as they provided a more even distribution of pressure. The differences between the Titan and other submersibles, such as the ones used by James Cameron, were evident. OceanGate admitted on their blog that the Titan lacked certification from independent safety authorities like the American Bureau of Shipping, ABS, or Det Norske Veritas, Germanischer Lloyd, DNV-GL. This raised concerns among experts who stressed the importance of rigorous testing and evaluation before diving into the depths of the ocean. Despite these concerns, Rush remained committed to his division. In 2022, OceanGate announced their ambitious plan to explore the Titanic wreck in 2023. Using the unproven Titan, their goal was to document the wreck's condition, create a detailed 3D map, and collect valuable research data. Additionally, the Titan's cylindrical shape deviated from industry norms. OceanGate acknowledged that the sub did not meet safety standards set by independent groups due to its innovative yet uncharted technology. Engineers from the Marine Technology Society expressed concerns about OceanGate's experimental approach, warning of potential negative outcomes. However, Rush disregarded the mounting evidence against the sub's safety. On June 16, 2023, the ill-fated third journey to the Titanic began. Despite encountering terrible weather conditions, the sub started its descent 2 days later. Communication and tracking systems malfunctioned, cutting off contact with the surface. Inside the sub, hull crack sensors provided a forewarning of impending disaster. As time passed, search and rescue efforts intensified. Sadly, it became evident that the sub had imploded, resulting in the instantaneous death of everyone on board. The debris field, discovered on June 22nd, confirmed the tragic fate of the submersible and its occupants. The investigation into the sub's collapse revealed a long list of potential issues. From the weakened carbon fiber hull to subpar components used in its construction, OceanGate's pursuit of innovation at the expense of safety proved to be a fatal gamble, leaving behind a legacy of tragedy and a stark reminder of the perils of cutting corners in engineering and design. In conclusion, the OceanGate disaster serves as a haunting reminder of the dangers of disregarding safety in the pursuit of innovation.
Once the pressure vessel is, you're certain it's not going to collapse on everybody, everything else can fail. Your thrusters can go, your lights can go, you're still going to be safe.
The loss of 5 lives stands as a tragic testament to the consequences of cutting corners and ignoring expert warnings. This devastating event compels us to prioritize responsible exploration and emphasize safety above all else. Let the lessons learned from this catastrophe shape future underwater endeavors and ensure the preservation of human life in the depths of our oceans. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.